Hello guys, I really want to talk about this site now that we have Midjourney and we have Leonardo AI and we have all the AIs that can create artwork for us. I know a lot of us have been creating stores where we can display our artwork, and of course, if you need to sell your artwork, you will need to display it in the most professional and beautiful way. So I came across this site called Canvi, and Canvi has a ton of different rooms in which you can display your artwork in. So basically, you can showcase your artwork beautifully, as Canvi says. You can also get everything pretty organized in Canvi, and you can also build a site in Canvi. So Canvi has over 900 rooms. As you can see, Canvi is not free. So there is a cost, and let us go down to that now. So you get 30 rooms for free, and if you want more than that, you'll have to pay price, right? It's either $15 or $149 based on what you're selling with. So basically, with the free plan, you have 7 daily downloads, and with the paid, you have unlimited. Basically, you have 5 gig of artwork storage here, and with the others is pretty much unlimited, as you can see here. And you also have Etsy integration with the paid plan. With both paid plans, you have Etsy integration, right? So basically, at the moment it can only integrate with Etsy. However, you can also download the artwork and upload on your own website, and I think that's a plus. Okay guys, so basically this is what it looked like, right? So right now we're looking at Canvi, and on the side you will see all rooms, inspirational. So the inspirationals are basically rooms that are already pre-designed for you, so you can easily insert your artwork and use those. Okay, we also have saved, that's the save room mockups. Then you have your downloads, those you probably the mockups you've downloaded, and you have the favorites. Okay, I've just favored something earlier. So let us go into all rooms and let us go into bedrooms, but let us use the free only because I am just using a trial. So free bedrooms, right? So I love this bedroom. I'm gonna mark it and I will click on this, and you can also do some customization to the bedroom right here. You can click and have you can click on this if you want to have a little photo frame over here, or you want to have 2 frames over the bed, or just one on the side. Okay, so I will just select the one on the side and click on edit now. Okay guys, so what we'll do is just add our artwork, and we'll just take it from here, and we'll add this artwork here, and just click on add artwork, right? Of course, I want some changes to be made to this artwork, right? So if this is the size, so we can change the size or just the size of the artwork. And over here, of course, we have the size of the canvas, so and the color of the canvas. So you can make the canvas black, or you can make it white, or gray or white, so whichever you want to work with. Okay, or you can decide you really don't want any canvas, but I really like how the white is looking. It's looking very professional, so we work with that. Then you have the frames, and the frames here, you can use any frame here as you like, and these frames are just beautiful. Okay, and again, you can increase the thickness of the frame by adjusting this over here. Okay, so guys, what I really love about Canvi is that you can change the wall color, right? And we cannot change the wall style per se, but you can just change the color. We can make it lighter, white, or something like that. Okay, so now we have the wall color. We can also change the color of the sheet on the bed. So we can probably say, okay, we want the sheet to be probably a little more green. So probably, to make our artwork to pop a little more, we can also change the sheet, to make it a bit brighter, or just white, or probably again something similar to what we have in the picture. right? We have something like a yellow, so we can probably a little pastel yellow there if we like, so we can use that. And I think that's it. So basically you can change the wall and the sheets and the bedding and all these stuff. Okay, right. So now you click on the three arrows here and you can save as, right? So just click on save to save your markup, right? And you can also download your markup. You can also export it directly to Etsy. All right, so you can download it. Did I download it? Let's download the markup. So I click on download. Right, so it is actually downloading the markup right here for me. Okay, so guys, this is the downloaded markup, and do you see how beautiful this look? All right, it is very beautiful, and you can use it on your social media platforms. You can use it in your store if you're selling artwork, etc. Okay guys, so I would like to show you the kids room. And the kids room, just click on kids room and you scroll down. And do you know that kids room are very common and popular on Etsy? And yes, so you can actually have that same, setup sort of on your website. You don't necessarily have to sell on Etsy. You can also sell on your website, guys. So again, I'm going to choose free, and let's just scroll down. So this basically, okay, so before I continue, so this is how the artwork is looking. All right, so this is what we created, and we can actually place this in our stores and social media, even on Pinterest, guys. So Canvi has made our work so much easier. So with Canvi, you can also create a free website where you can, as they say, showcase your online work. Okay, so it's, as you can see, as it says, get started. So let us get started creating a website. Okay guys, so we don't have a logo. So what I will do is simply just use, the image that I have used before, and we work with that, so you have to put, the name of my store is Lovely Art, and the tagline is lovely art that turns heads, that turn heads. Then we click on next. Okay, so these are my artwork, except this is not my artwork. Okay, so basically we have to select, as it says here, we have to select one artwork to continue, and that could always change later. So let us choose this one, and you click on next. So the perfect domain, let us say Lovely Art. All right, so we have lovely.art .canvi. So this will work. It is free. Our domain is free right now, so we'll work with that. All right, so I will click on this one and select next, and this is just for demonstration purposes. Okay, so basically this is everything we have so far. So now we will create our website. So website is now created. Let us open a website and take a look. This is our website. So guys, I hope I hope this tutorial was very useful. And again, just give Canva a try. The link is below, and let me know how it worked. If you think this is the bomb, please guys comment below and let me know if this is really good, right? So let us chat below, okay guys? But if you want more information on how you can spruce up your artwork, please look at this video next, okay?